Ivyuvi Niyiendeeye na Kwambata Muveani wa Ukui Maseneta Mainenga Silikali Kyumwa Kimwe Kuya Wandani kana kumya Wandani Mauvoo Onthe Makonetye Kuaamwa kwa Kiwanza cho Kuiwa Ndeke cha Jomo Kenyatta avikite embe wa komiti ya Senate maunduni ma Ukui mwandiki munene Muveani uteri mbaika ni watetea mulati wa iwetekana nuvitukite kiwango cha kunenaniwa yathana kunengane mesane kana kumya mesane Mauvoo Onthe alamekwendeka membo kunengane kwa tenda ni kana kwikithia mali ya mwenenthi inatumika nai mwaka mwe unokuelesya
wa Silikali kunenga kampuni wa China Roads and Bridge Corporation kandarasi wa Kuaamwa Kiwanza cha Ndeke cha Jomo Kenyatta International Airport yu mbunge ya Senate yenda Silikali dhambalale yulua wiwano ula windini wa kandarasi yesu.
We are a bit worried on behalf of Kenyans when we inquire about these things. We are not witch hunting. We are basically doing service to our fellow Kenyans so that they will know through us, because they elected us to represent them, on what is happening and how are we going to pay these debts. Debts can come through the door, it can come through the window, and whichever way it can come, it is going to come. But who will pay ultimately? The Kenyan people.
Nzama ya mbunge ino ya Senate maunduni malelo na Ukui yenda muvea wa Ukui kuelesya NND vala mulati ukunye ilovia sya kusovua kwa uo miwetaka na Kenya methite maikuithia muyo mwito wa mikovo ya kutwaisya maendeleo.
This contract, you need to tell us where are you getting the money from. We will also be asking the Treasury to come before the committee to explain. And then value for money, how did you come to the contract sum or the monies that are going to be invested? If it is borrowed money, it is going to be, how much is it going to cost the Kenyan people? And return, how long will it take to pay off completely?
Mwandiki munene ukavani wa Ukui wa yani ndini wa muvea wa Ukui na malelo mwandu teresia mbaika avikite mbewanza maino ya Senate ni waweta kana wa Kiwanza kinu ukithiwa yambe vindane iteva asa nundu jumena visa mwe wa Kiwanza ki.
The discussion around this engagement and why we were seeking to engage were at the stage where we were engaging on the master plan and what the master plan gave us on this. But I think, Chair, now it's more than that. It's an engagement that really, in a setting like maybe what you are planning for next week, which I...
Amemba manza maino ya Senate ni mamunenga mwandu mbaika ilungu ya mithena monza kuthuima kindini cha kandarasi ino na vala mwenda kusyokeria mbewo emwamba na minister wa Ukui Davis Chirichiri.
Information that we would have wanted to share with you, maybe we can plan another similar engagement, because we want to take you from the master plan through what we are currently doing at this at the procurement stage, so that we have enough time for us to engage better.
Then let them also require the minister to come prepared to engage with us on the financials and the economics of the project, complete with the balance sheet of KA and our matters financial relating to this project, because we are going to have a deep engagement on those issues.
Nilivotia vilingi wa Mauvoo ni tawa mwaka mweu.